Hello everybody! Out here in the workshop today, I need to dig potatoes. Towards the end of digging last year, my pitchfork fell apart. So I'm going to see if I can get that put back together. I also need to get this long nail out of here. And let's get started. The problem is, the end of the handle has split a little bit, so I am going to put some wood glue in here, put the fork back in it. Well, I gotta put that on first, and then I'm going to put a clamp on there and tighten it down as tightly as I possibly can. I did smash this down with a hammer. It was a little bit spread out. Now it's all curled back in like it should be. I was trying to think of a way I could get that nail out of there. I've got a solution. Should be able to make quick work of that. Okay, and the vise. That made quick work of that. Well, good news, I took it in the house in my grandpa's little workshop, and he's got a better vise in there, so I got it pretty well in good shape. So also had to go in there and get the wood glue. I'm going to go ahead and load it up here, if the glue will flow. It's actually split in 3 areas. Yeah, epoxy would work better, but I don't have any on hand at the moment. So this will work just fine and dandy. Handle looks to be the same on both ways. So slip the collar on there, and then put that in there. Just bashing the end of it made some difference. It's seated in there. So now I'll get a clamp and clamp it down a little bit. This one may be too big. Hopefully it'll work. Well, it's going to be close. And just my luck, it's just a touch too big. Come back and when I find an appropriate clamp. Must be doing something right. I found one. This one's a Kohler branded one. Scoot over here a little bit. There we go. You can see the work being performed now. I will certainly have to address that's sticking out. And a little bit OCD there, but put that right in the center. It's off to one side just a little bit. And now I'll put a socket on there and really get down some torque. And then I'll come up with a way to address that thing. Alright, my offset here. 5/16. Doesn't seem to be falling out. So I'll take my Dremel with the little cutoff wheel and get that little tab removed so I don't want to cut myself. Let's get that little tab zipped off. Eliminating sharp edges so don't accidentally cut myself. So that is set for just a few moments. Let's see if I can get a little bit more out of it. Don't want to press my luck too much, but there it is. Why, sure, I could afford to go buy a new one, but just taking a few minutes I was able to fix my old one. And there's really nothing special about this, or is there? I don't know if the camera can pick this up. This was made in West Germany. Don't know if that will show. Maybe. It's got W Germany, so West Germany. So if you're old like I am, you can remember when that was a thing. And of course, work is done, so it's time to have a real cane sugar Dr. Pepper. And of course, being of the Gen X variety, I'm prepared. Very good. So once again, this has been repairing my Pitchfork from West Germany. Now I can dig some potatoes. Thank you for watching.